Hello, it's Dr. Rogini. Welcome back to my channel. So, your hips, they hold emotions, including other parts of the body, but today we're going to talk about your hips. When your hips are storing heavy density emotions, you start to feel tight in your pelvis. And you could be trying massages and all sorts of things, but if that emotion is not released out of your pelvis, it's going to create symptoms. It's going to create pain. It's going to create discomfort. It's going to create distortion in the alignment of your pelvis. So if you look at your pelvis, I'm just holding my phone right now, so I can't show you what I'm talking about. Your pelvis is like a ring, and your sacrum is basically kind of your tailbone, and like your coccyx and your sacrum is in a certain angle. But if your tailbone and your sacrum is not in the right angle, if it's a tiny bit twisted or this way, it creates tension. The question is, why has it been distorted? It could be because you could have fallen down on your bum, okay? Or the way you walk. There could be so many reasons, okay? But what if I told you emotions are another reason why you might be experiencing all this discomfort? Okay? Emotions supposed to process through your body. So let's say you're experiencing grief or anger. What do most people do? As we integrate these emotions, as we process these emotions, we tend to tighten our body. When we tighten our body holds these emotions as garbages. And that becomes into a symptom. Digestive issues, lethargy, like tiredness. You might feel bloated, all sorts of symptoms. Okay? So there's so many signs that your hips might be out of balance and that you're storing emotions in there. So what we're going to do, we have actually a workshop that's coming up on this Monday. Okay, it's a 4-Monday workshop. We already had one last Monday, and we have 3 more left, and it's going to be amazing. You're going to learn so much more. You're going to learn how to integrate emotions. You're going to learn how to see life, about health, in a whole new level. It's going to stretch your mind, and you're going to start feeling more relaxed in your body. Okay, so it's going to be very powerful. So join. We still have enough space left. It's going to be live. I'm going to live virtual. So I'm going to be answering questions as well. And I'm going to be supporting and holding that space for you. So you can allow yourself to release these heaviness in your body. So today I just talked about hips. There's different parts in the body. We hold so many different emotions in different parts of the body. Okay? So it's going to be powerful. Join. We'll see you soon. Okay? Bye-bye.